Are you eager to establish a platform that seamlessly connects job seekers with employers? Whether you are focused on design for graphics and designs, digital marketing, tech support, web development, or any kinds of job categories, we will guide you through the process of creating a free job board website using classified listing plugin. Users can find their desired jobs from these specific categories. All the latest surveys show on the all listing page with grid and list view with the title and price. This listing archive page provides individual listing detail page. Let's see the steps to create a job category and location. For this, we need to go first at classified listing for listing type. Add a new type and save it. Delete the rest of the listing type. Now in the listing categories, set your modified category name like design and graphic. Add the listing type. For the icon, choose it yourself that you prefer for it and then upload it. Adding one category is done, but using this process, you can make more job categories. So repeat these steps. For your convenience, I am showing you some more samples by making several categories such as web development category and the same process again, name tech support category. These are the categories what we have customized so far. Now add the location for your job board website and then save it. Now let's create a job listing form with drag and drop form builder. Go to the form builder from classified listing. Click add new form and choose the blank form to start from the ground. Copy this form and drag it down. From the preset field, select the category form field and set the section title on top as job category. For the next form, set the section title as job title. Now edit your salary info for the next title along with pricing details and drag pricing form field from the preset field. Edit your label name as salary and select pricing options as price unit. Now copy this form again and edit the title as job info. Then set the label name as job type and create the options for your job type like it is full-time, part-time, contractual or not. Besides, create another label named experience. Add several options for it like junior, middle, or senior and then save it. For the next, edit the section title again as job details. Then add another form field named tag. After that, add image form field and edit the section title. Now, one by one, add more form fields like number, address, your postal code, email, etc. And then give a title for this section as contact. And lastly, provide a title for your entire form as job board. Now go to the form list to set these as default and active. Then delete the sample one. Now check this listing form and let's see how user post a job. For this, click on Add Listing and get a blank form. Now look over this form that you have built it just a few minutes ago. Now fill up the form with all the requirements like category name, job title, provide the salary limit with the price unit. For the job info, set job type, experience, job details with description. Then add tags, images, and after that provide the contact info. Submit it. Let's see your one job listing creation. This is your job listing detail page. For adding more listings, follow this previous method and repeat it. By continuing these steps, you can make individually numerous listings for your website. You just need to customize job title, salary info, job info, its type, experience with description and the other queries for the new listing. This is how you can add one by one more listings as per your needs with the help of classified listing plugin. Thus, user can post job with the required job information in your job board website. Hope you can make your job listing website today. Thank you for watching.